Hello everyone, welcome to the video today. This video is going to be one that I've actually talked about before, but I wanted to bring it up again. It's been updated recently. This is a website where you can make some extra money really easily. And here's the great thing about it. There's no minimum to cash out. So you can cash out with as little as a penny if you want, but you're going to make more than that. So you can cash out at any point. You don't have to get up to a certain minimum before you can cash out. And all it is surveys. They actually have offers as well, but majority of the site is these surveys. It's called QMee. And I'm actually logged into my account right now, so I'll just go ahead and show you. You see here all these surveys that I could take. And I want you to notice here, it gives a time. That's the approximate time it's going to take you. This over here is how long it's taken. This is how long they say it's going to take. This is how long in reality it's been taking people to do. So, for instance, this one's 3 minutes. It takes most people 2 minutes to do. No big deal. So you also see the amount of money you're going to make. Okay? And that's how simple it is. You're just going to take a survey. We'll click on this one and see. Okay, we're just going to agree, continue. I will say this, one of the things that this site has is you are going to have to qualify for these surveys, but I don't find them very difficult to do. So we're just going to click through these questions and see if we qualify. And here's what happens if you don't. Okay, it happens sometimes. It just says that up here at the top it says the survey provider has enough respondents for the survey, but there's others for you to do. So what you do is you're just going to go try a different one. This one, it pays out pretty well, $1.44 for only about 5 minutes worth of your time. So that's pretty good. But all you're going to do is just go through and find ones that you can take. And as you see, they don't really take a lot of time. Some of them are a little longer, maybe pay out a little better. And these are the ones that I recently finished. As you can see down here, it shows. So this only took me 9 minutes, got 24 cents for that. This one was 6 minutes, and I got 20 cents. And then there's a couple more here. But this is what I want to tell you. If you use the link in the description, it's going to give you 50 cents in addition once you cash out for your first time, okay? But you got to use the link in the description in order for that to work. So I will leave that below. And like I said, you can cash out at any time. As you see right now, I have only 24 cents in my account. I actually cashed out earlier. But this is how easy it is to cash out. You just click one of these things. PayPal, you're going to set up your PayPal account once you log in and sign up. That would be the first thing you do. Sign up, put in your PayPal account so they know where to send your money. And then also you're going to fill in your profile information. That's going to help them know what kind of surveys to give you. So do those things, and then you're ready to roll. Take a survey or two, get some money in your account, and then go ahead and cash out so that you can immediately get the 50 cents, okay? So I'll show you, with only 24 cents, it is going to let me cash out. So I'm going to hit PayPal, and you can either specify an amount or you can click all my rewards, and I'm just going to click all of them because it's just 24 cents. And just say yes, go for it. And it says you've successfully cashed out 24 cents. Boom, there it is. So now I'm back down to 0. But I can keep earning, so that's great. So yeah, this is a real easy site. It also has an app, so once you come here and sign up, make sure you download the app so when you're on the go you can also be earning. But I'll remind you, sign up, fill out your profile information, put in your PayPal, and take a survey, and then go ahead and cash out immediately so you can go ahead and get your 50 cents. Okay? Use the link in the description. And I hope y'all have fun using this real simple, easy site that is a great way to earn a little bit extra pocket change. Okay? I hope this video has been useful, and I will see you guys in the next video.